Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about Lombard, BARD targets updates with my custom maker set, zone of interest after listing. Let's dive in. All right, guys, like you know, we use after listing initiation accumulation pump model. This token not listed on BitGet and lowest listing price now currently on Bybit. So we're going to use this exchange to check the lowest zone of interest to reduce the risk. So based on this model, guys, like you know, highly recommended, by the way, go and check free educational video. So this zone, let's mark firstly the red color. This is a zone of fixation swing trades. This block is going to be the first zone of interest. What does this mean, the first zone of interest? It's a first zone where more than okay to start use DCA strategy. Before, no makes sense, even waste the stable coins. If you feel comfortable to buy at 93 cents 63, you can buy even now, guys. I just share my own idea. So this is it. This is zone of interest. First one, second one. Should we drop to this low prices? I don't know. But this is a logical entry, logical idea for this token or this one or any others. So once again, even worse than previous token what I analyzed, even like Avantis and previous one what I showed today. So the market capitalization 200 and FDB 932. It's just mind blowing, you know. Once again, the same model. They just leave, you know, the airdrop is live. The people just distribute their bags, you know. We see the new unlocks every single time, and just venture funds just dump the price on the investors. So here, the seed round was 2024. After that, here undisclosed round, use labs is previous Binance labs. I don't know what the price was at this private priority rounds, right? And here's the idea. 45 cents. So that guys who invested on the what is a pad? Buitpad. What is it? I never heard about this platform. And here's a 45 cents. So that guys here is still in profit, 107%. So they can dump the token to 45 cents easily to the 78 level by 50 to this zone of interest. Why? Because they still in profit 100%, but they need just a little bit of time. So they just can't press sell by market, you know. So we could not see this God candle but down, right? Of course not. They need to treat you, you know, so they can sell in average. Because if they press sell by market, you know, we'll see that they will see the crazy slippage, right? That's why they needed time to distribute backs. Once again, guys, maybe we're going to stop at 87 cents, maybe at 76. But guys, you build the logic of entry and 67, 94, 58, 99, 46, 24, 40, 62. It's logical entries for the accumulation, guys. Once again, I recommend you to not fall in love in any of these tokens because just today the Bybit posts they will delist the DOP. Data ownership protocol token. It was a fundamental token, so something behind something good, you know, like solution. That's why any token can be delisted. Even this one after the years, you know, so any token can be delisted, especially that one which got a like airdrop system. So it's kind of weird, but this cycle so weird by manipulation with this airdrops, fundraising rounds. You know, in 2017 we saw the ICO rounds. Yes, of course, there was also insiders, but at least it was a fair. So insiders and retails got the same price for entries. Now, only the priority round, priority venture funds, priority investors got a chance to hop into that tokens, get some vesting schedule, and distribute their bags step by step because they control their vesting schedule. And of course, we can't know how many wallets do they own, right? Because, for example, what's the problem? Here, we can see like, one more trick from the crypto rank. If you not log in into crypto rank, it will show you, so the unlocks will be in 3 years, 11 months. It's a fake. So you need to log in. I don't know why it's not showing the correct data. All right. Even worse. So they will close the page for the free users to check the unlocks. You need to premium. All right. Anyway, we can go to token unlocks and double check the vesting schedule. So guys, just be sure, to track the vesting schedule and to see the data when they will unlock the tokens. So even let's go now. Unfortunately, on Tokenomics, there is no data for the unlocks. But anyway, guys, I get to find the information and I will share it lately in Telegram or Twitter. So guys, anyway, be careful with the unlocks, work only with the zone of interest. If you feel comfortable accumulate now, you can accumulate now. Can we pump to this zone from now, from these current prices? Of course we can, but guys, it's no make sense to gamble randomly when the token just floating in the air, because the dump from now, for example, here to the first zone of interest, it will be 27% drop. After that, 36% drop on the spot, even in the spot. So guys, just be careful. All right, zone of interest, I showed you. Check with my customer set what Insider is doing now. Here, this is on 4 hour time frame. This is totally free after leasing. All right, this is not a bullish one. 1 hour time frame. This is not bullish one based on a market mode indicator. That's why I wish to see the small correction at least by end of September down. ADZ in accumulation, but we can form that divergence. Usually it forms something like this one and something like this one on ADZ. Something like this one. This would be good and will be bullish one. It's 1 hour time frame. Direction, no data for 1 hour time frame. Here is a direction on the 30 minutes time frame. We at the bottom, but without any accumulation by whales. So it's too early to hop into this token. But guys, I repeat again, in any single second, in any single moment that any single token can skyrocket to the moon or dump it to the hell. But we build a logical entry. At least you need to, you make an analysis and you note the reasons for entry. Why you want to buy now this token? I mark my entries, and at the end, the time will show us this entry will be correct or not. So that's a fact. Money power. Here's the money inflow on the 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, no money inflow. So for me now, not enough reasons to invest the money even on the spot. Also, guys, spot is not a safe haven, just in case. So zone of interest on 1 hour time frame, still the same. 1 hour time frame trade on no data. 30 minutes time frame, no data. Here was like a local scalp on 50-minute time frame. The last indicator, guys, is take profit. Take profit only on 15-minute time frame available. Here's a buy line. It's 69 and 1 cent. It's a buy line. This is a fundamental value. So we get a difference between the price and the volume. The value is 51.22. We just in the middle. Take profit is $1.36. Exit line $1.54. So once again, for me, it's not enough reason to hop into this stock and even for a speculation. So I'm wait the zones. I'm gonna add alert. Highly recommend you guys watch this video and remember the zones. Also, you can add alert and come back after the weeks. But at least, guys, build the plan. If you wanna buy now, for example, even in the spot, you just can add a stop loss here, 3% stop loss on a spot, for example. If we go higher, this is gonna be the zone of fixation profit and this one, $1.19, $1.26, $1.52. So this is it. If you want to trade with a second leverage, for example, 120 profit, potential profit against the 6.5% stop loss. Pretty simple math. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a BARD, Lombard. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I would show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.